Alright fam, it's BeenScratching, and we're back at it again.
Guess who's back? Back again.
I got 2 tickets to scratch today, switching it up a little bit. I got a $30 Diamond 7, and I got a $150 million Cash Explosion. Both $30 tickets from the Michigan Lottery. Scratch it on both number 4s. We got a battle of the 4s today. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe onto the channel. We're going to have a good scratch today. Alright fam, it's BeenScratching and we're back at it again. I got 2 tickets to scratch today. I got one of these Diamond 7's. This is the newest ticket from the Michigan Lottery, the newest $30 ticket. Went up to $4 million on this one, ticket number 4. And we also got one of these $150 million Cash Explosions. Over $150 million in total cash prizes. There's still one of the grand prizes out for this, ticket number 4 also. We got a battle of the 4s to see which one we're going to win on. Hopefully both. We're going to start with the Cash Explosion today. Chances of winning on this guy, 1 in 4.07. See the list of prizes up here. Starts at a $50 winner. There's no money back on these. 2,000, 10,000, 4 million. Still one of the 4 millions out there. This one's been around for a while, but I always do good on it. Cash Explosion in general. Always a winner. So the way we play, we got the bonus 50, 100, 300. We got to get the money bag up there. Down here, we got to get this star in any one of these spots. If we get that, we win the prize shown below. Down here, we can match any of your numbers to the winning numbers. We win prize shown below that number. Reveal this coin symbol. Reveal double. Reveal the 10 times, win 10 times the amount. Alright, well there ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. Alright, bonus 50. Ladybug. Bonus 100. Horseshoe. 300. Horseshoe. Alright, nothing up top. I want to thank you guys for joining along today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go down below, subscribe on. We're scratching daily. You can come back every day, there'll be a new video. Maybe I take one day off a week, but not every week. Money clip. If you're returning, I want to thank you for coming back every day, watching the videos. We've been growing pretty rapidly. Piggy bank. I'm liking where the channel's going. Treasure. Alright, nothing there. So here we go, down to the winning numbers. I'll give you a little backstory for this one. Well, both of them, I bought 2 tickets of each, and the other ticket was a loser. I scratched them off camera though. 18. So hopefully both of these ones will be winners. 21. 14. 43. 34. 6. 13, gambler's number. 37. 22, deuce deuce, and that's a one-off. 39. Number 3. 26. Number 5. 46. 28. Number 8. 44. 16. 45. 32. All right, nothing yet. We got 2 more rows. 49, 41, 15, 29, 24. All right, nothing yet. All right, bottom row here. 36. Number 12. Number 4 on ticket 4. It's pretty cool, but doesn't help us. Clutch corner, let's see what we got. This one's a $600. This one's a $50. I'd take either of it. Alright, let's see. Number 1 for $50. Me got that. 600, let's see that one. Number 48, nothing. Alright, ticket number 4 on the Cash Explosion is gonna be a loser.
Aww.
Alright, let's go ahead and moving on to the Diamond 7. Alright, Diamond 7. So, this is the newest $30 one from the Michigan Lottery. Chance of the winning on this guy, 1 in 3.47. Got the list of prizes here, 5,000, 15,000, and 4 million. No 4 millions have been claimed. This launched within the last month or so. Ticket number 4 also. I have not had good luck with this one, so I'm disappointed we lost on the Cash Explosion because these ones have been losers. So the way we play this one, we got bonus 50, 100, and then down here we got 200, 300, 500. So we have to match the amount you see to get the bonus in each spot. Then we also got down here, match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win price shown below that, reveal the 7 symbol or the 500. So the 7 symbol, we win that prize automatically. A 500, we win 500 instantly. All right, let's get to it. Bonus 50, quick win. Ladybug, 200. Dice. All right. Winning numbers, 26, 20, 12, 41, 33. All right, let's see what we got here. 15, 36, 13, that's a one-off. 44, 6, 38, number 9, 46, 34, that's a one-off. 30, nothing there. I'd like to see a nice 500 pop up. Get me back even on these tickets. Number 11, it's a one-off. 35. Let me know, all you guys out there that are from Michigan scratching, are you guys winning on these ones? 23. If so, what are you winning? I have not been. 29. 32, there's another one off. All right, 2 more rows, and then we got some bonuses on the bottom. Number 2. 31. 25, another one off. 49, 28, All right, last row. Let's make something happen here. Come on. Oh, deuce, deuce, 22. Number 10. 14. 39, nothing yet. All right, last one for the numbers. $500 winner. Let's see what it is. Number 3.
Oh, come
All
on,
right, we
man.
ain't got no number 3. Let's move down here to the bonus 200, 300, and 500 quick win. If you guys made it this far in the video, make sure you go down below. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video. You know, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're scratching on, if you're winning, if you're losing. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and hit this last one. Bonus 200. We're looking for the number amounts in there. Horseshoe, bonus 300. Elephant, last shot, bonus 500. Coin. All right, folks, well, let's do a little recap. We got the Diamond 7's, 30, $150 million cash explosion, $30 tickets. Both number 4's, Battle of the 4's, they both lost.
It's the way she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes it doesn't. She didn't go. It's the way she goes.
So, yep, that's going to do it for us, folks. If you haven't already, make sure you go down below. Make sure you click on that bell notification so you'll be the first to know when we've been scratching again.